Okay, the next concept is the graphical representation of velocity time graph. So the first graph is velocity time graph for uniform velocity. You can see here, if you plot velocity time graph for uniform velocity, then it is always a straight line parallel to time axis. Why it is parallel to time axis? Because it is an uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means velocity is not changing, velocity is constant. Okay, it is not increasing, not decreasing, it is constant velocity. For example, a body is moving with a velocity 10 meter per second, it remains with the same velocity even though time is increasing. Now why it is a parallel line to the time axis? Because time is increasing but velocity remains the constant. Okay, then next graph is velocity time graph for a velocity increasing by equal amount in each second. Now in the previous slide and this slide there is a lot of difference. In the previous slide the velocity was not changing, but here velocity is increasing uniformly. For example, you see body was moving with 20 meter per second in time 1 second, then it was moving with 40 meter per second in time 2 seconds, then 60 meter per second in 3 seconds. So likewise, if you see the ratio 20 and 1 is 20 becomes 40, then time is becoming 2, 20, 40, 60, it is increasing uniformly. So the graph is always a straight line passing through origin. The next one is velocity time graph for uniform retardation. Now what is retardation? Two ways we can understand what is retardation. One is when the body is going against the gravity, that is called as retardation. And when the body is brought to rest by applying brakes or by frictional force, then the body will retard. So retardation is going against gravity, as well as if the body is brought to rest or body is slowing down its motion is called retardation. And we are discussing about the uniform retardation. Then the graph will be a straight line which is traveling towards straight line which is towards the x-axis. This is the straight line. Okay, the next one is velocity time graph for uniform motion initially not at rest. Now here body, we have to consider a body which is initially moving with some velocity and attains some velocity. Initially moving with some velocity means, suppose it is moving with the velocity 10 meter per second, then it is attaining a velocity 60 meter per second. Then we cannot consider the body was initially at rest. We have to consider the body was moving with the 10 meter per second and the final velocity attained is 60 meter per second. So the graph for uniform motion initially not at rest is a straight line. As you can see, the AB is a straight line which is drawn from A. This is a straight line. It is not starting from origin. It is not starting from origin. That is very important. Why it is not starting from origin? Because we are not considering a body at rest. If it is at rest, then it will start from the origin. Okay.